Module 2. Getting started with Linux. Installing Linux. Overview of installation methods. Installing Linux involves choosing the right method based on your needs and technical comfort. Different methods offer various advantages and considerations. Here are 3 common installation methods. VirtualBox installation, dual boot installation, standalone installation. VirtualBox installation. Definition: VirtualBox is a virtualization software that lets you create and run virtual machines on your existing operating system. Advantages: safe environment for learning, experimentation, and testing. No impact on your main OS. Steps: download and install VirtualBox. Download the VirtualBox software compatible with your host OS, Windows, Mac OS, from the official website. Follow the installation wizard. Create a virtual machine, open VirtualBox, click New, give your VM a name, choose the type, Linux, and allocate resources, RAM, CPU. Attach ISO image. In VM settings, mount the Linux ISO image file as a virtual optical disk. Start the VM, click Start, follow the installation prompts, configure settings, language, keyboard, and install Linux within the virtual environment. Dual boot installation. Definition: dual booting means installing Linux alongside an existing operating system, giving you the choice to boot into either OS when the computer starts. Advantages: full access to hardware, ideal for performance-intensive tasks, allows comparison between different OSes. Considerations: requires partitioning your hard drive, potential data loss if not done carefully. Steps: backup data. Before partitioning, ensure important data is backed up. Create free space. Use existing disk management tools to shrink a partition and create free space for Linux. Boot from installation media. Insert the Linux installation media, USB, DVD, and restart your computer, booting from the media. Guided installation. Follow the installation prompts, select the option to install Linux alongside the existing OS, and configure settings. Standalone installation. Definition: installing Linux as the sole operating system on a computer or device. Advantages: complete control over system resources, optimal performance, no OS conflicts. Considerations: erases all data on the device. Steps: boot from installation media, insert the Linux installation media, USB, DVD, and restart your computer, booting from the media. Guided installation. Follow the installation prompts, select the option to erase disk and install Linux, and configure settings like language, keyboard layout, user account. Choosing the right method. Choosing the right method depends on factors like your purpose, technical proficiency, and the resources you have available. VirtualBox is great for learning, dual booting is suitable for comparisons and performance, while standalone installations offer complete control.